Hello guys, hope you all are good. Welcome to another interesting video on our behavior channel. Today we are going to discuss about interesting topic, that is job openings in October 2023. So this is the home page for beawarechannel.com, and you can also have job vacancies, you can look for simulation, you can look for earning money opportunities, blogs, Best Buy and health. Do give a visit to beawarechannel.com. But today we will be going in earn money and jobs in order to look about the job vacancies which we are going to have for October 2023. So the moment we go in October 2023 job vacancies, we are going to have almost 9 job vacancies which are released in October. These are for freshers, experienced and majorly in engineering domain. So stay with us till end to look about different vacancies we are having. So the first vacancy comes out to be for Bajaj Auto. So Bajaj Auto has almost 122 positions. Please note that the positions counts may vary. You can click a picture or this official link to apply. So you can directly go from this link to an official Bajaj website, and from there you could apply for your requested or whatever job you require depending on your job role. Then the next job position comes out to be is for Hero MotoCorp, which has almost 43 positions. You can click on the picture or this link and it will directly redirect it to the official Hero MotoCorp page. We'll just click on this and we'll just redirect to Hero MotoCorp, and you can look how the page looks like, and this is how the page looks in. And you could look at here, you are going to supposed to see the job vacancies. So you can look here at Hero MotoCorp. We have 0 most recent job posted by Hero MotoCorp. That's the reason we put in here that the please note that the positions counts may vary. The moment we took out the research for the October, it was showing 43 positions, but now these are all filled. So make early, do take decisions very fast because the positions go on finishing very faster than you think. Now if you could look at here, we have 122 positions. You click on the link and then you will be redirected to the Bajaj official page for the jobs, and just visit there. You could look at the latest job posting and you can know about the job details. You can look about the area where the job is and what is the position for it is and how much is the current openings. So just to visit on the official links it has been pasted in this a blog, you could redirect it to the website. Then the third job posting is for the John Deere, which is for almost 12 positions. Again, note that the position count may vary. As we have seen for Hero, you can directly click on this link and go on an official John Deere page. I'll just take you there and let us see currently on 1st of October what it looks like. So when the page gets loaded, we'll just go down and check out the next fourth job opportunity is in Mercedes Benz, and it has been seen that we have lot many positions here. So there are three major areas of jobs, which is car CSO, cars RD and cars IT, and these are the positions you will look at. It is 285 for CSO, RD we have 165 and IT we have 149, and we have listed down three different links for those areas. If you want a common link, we also have it here. We'll just click on that and we can go there. And also if you could look at carriers in John Deere, if you look, we have only 7 job opens now. So you just look at, we had 12 and now we have only 7. So how fast the jobs are getting finished. So do not make late in visiting beawarechannel.com jobs and just go and hit an apply button in the top class OEM companies. So we'll just go in the Mercedes Benz now, and if you could look at here, this is the common link for all, and here you could look at the opportunities gallery. So as I showed you that CSO, RD and IT, you could click on any of the things and you could just go in and you will have those jobs been listed for that particular area of business unit, and you could apply from here. There are different job openings still available here. So let's go back to behaviorchannel.com, and we are going to look at the fifth job opening, that is in the Tata Motors. We have it is 391 positions for October 2023. Then similarly, if we go down, we have it for Mahindra, we have it 457 positions which are available. If we go for Maruti Suzuki, we are having the positions available for passed out, freshers, experienced, and ITIs. Check out as per your requirement which is going to suit you. So the moment we go in Maruti Suzuki, and you could look at, here is what I was saying. So for freshers, you need to explore here. For all India engineering hiring, you need to explore here. For experience, you need to click here, and for ITI, you need to click here. So this is a vast domain which we have for Maruti Suzuki. Then we go down, we have Hyundai. Hyundai, you need to check in the official website. There are a lot many positions available. By clicking on this post, you could go in. So Hyundai is a motor company, by the way. Then in an aerospace domain, we have Boeing, which has almost 137 positions available for October 2023. Note that position count may vary. Do be faster enough to visit behaviorchannel.com and apply through these links, otherwise the job vacancies are going to get vanished. So these are 9 job vacancies which we have listed for October 2023 in top class OEM companies. Do not be late. Come fast and apply the jobs from the available links on our behaviorchannel.com. We do bring every month job vacancies being created in top companies. Do not forget to visit behaviorchannel.com. You can also sign up for the latest job vacancies from here. You could also register for behaviorchannel.com for different offers, blogs, updates. You'll directly receive it via mail. Do remember to check in your spam mailbox if you have received any mail from behaviorchannel.com, and do not forget it to unspam. Otherwise, all the precious material which we share you via mail will be wasted in this spam box. We also have a great thing which is health awareness. Do not forget to visit health awareness area also, where we'll bring in the tips in order to make you healthy. So the healthy you are, the more money you're going to earn by doing a lot of stuff. So we'll meet in another interesting video. Till then, take care, go on applying jobs and earn money. Thank you.